Packwiz sent this CarPlay adapter for our review, and I'm about to install it for the very first time right out of the box. And I want to show you what it looks like because it's pretty tiny and pretty cool. They do give you the little adapter for the USB-C, which I'm going to use because my car has USB-C, so that's important. But right out of the gate, it has USB-A. So I'm just going to go like this and make sure that it's connected, and that is it. This will not only connect it with power, but give it all the access to your car's basically control, right? So this car has a really nice screen, but it doesn't have CarPlay built in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug it into the USB-C, just like that. As soon as you plug it in, it's going to, there you go, you see it light up, and the Packwiz little device lights up. This is actually, and look at this. Now it says, do you wanna connect? And I'm gonna say absolutely. Let's just make sure that we're connected. And we're gonna make sure also that I can connect it with the Bluetooth of my phone. So connecting new device will be disconnected. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go back here and make sure that it's going. There you go. Beauty. And yes, this whole idea is to be able to have, in our case, have all of the access of our, look at this, AirPlay. Everything is it's seamless. It's crazy. I just said, yes, I want to connect it. Right here, it says the device has been recognized by my phone. And as soon as I do that once, every time I get back into the car, it'll recognize who I am, what I'm trying to do, which is basically have my whole phone, my messages, my Waze, my music, my GPS location, all of that will be on the big screen, which I love. And look at this. This is so cool. Now I've got my phone on, so I can be really hands-free, got my messages, my maps, you name it. And this, all of this can be changed inside of your settings on your phone. So I can actually say, I don't want WhatsApp on my phone because that's not going to be useful, but Waze, absolutely useful. So I could put this onto the front screen if I wanted to on that first page. And I have access to my music, to all the stuff right then and there. And everything is on my dashboard, on my console without touching my phone. And really cool because my wife and I use it all the time. And what we're going to do is basically both our phones are recognized. So even if we're on the same in the same car driving together, it will basically let us decide which one of us is going to get connected. If it's just one of us, then of course it's going to connect automatically without even asking the question. I love this little thing. It finally gets you off of your phone while you're driving, which is a big thing, but utilizes a beautiful screen and basically translates it into an iOS or Android, because it does work with Android as well, look and feel, which I absolutely adore. This basically updates my car right with this little device.